your girl, and today we are eating a seafood boil. Y'all know what it is. I'm so excited. Let's talk about it. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So yes, today we are doing a seafood boil, y'all. I'm so excited. So today, as you can see, we got some shrimp, some jumbo shrimp. We got some lumpia. We got some sweet bell peppers and some jalapenos, and then some eggs right here in the front. Ooh, you guys, I am so excited. So let's dig in. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, and then here we got Bloves sauce. Yes. So we're gonna start with this shrimp right here. Since when I was setting this up, you guys, she already wanted to be dunked inside. So let's start off with that. All right. How are y'all doing? How's your day? Ooh, y'all. So again, this is Bloves spicy sauce. My first seafood boil that I did, if you guys haven't already seen that video, go ahead and check her out. That was with Bloves spicy sauce. Now, today, so I didn't use the whole entire bag because that bag can, like, it can last you a long time, alright? I was doing just, like, half of the recipe that she put. So today, I wanted to use the rest of it. Oh my god. Oh, that was a little pepper in my mouth. Sorry about that. But yeah, today I wanted to use the rest of it, and I tried something a little bit different in this recipe. So when I tried her sauce the first time, it was really good. I love her sauce. It's absolutely delicious. It was, you know, a little sweet, and I mean, you know, that's some people's preference. Some people like it sweet, some people don't like it sweet, some people like, you know, the butter based, some people like oil based, you know, everyone is different. And I think Bloves sauce is absolutely amazing. Something I did a little bit different though, so here for you guys to see again. This is Bloves sauce. This is the spicy. So in the back recipe, what I did a little bit different from last time's recipe to today. Last time, and this was optional as well in the recipe too, she put an option of adding Coke. So for my first recipe, I did go ahead and add the Coca-Cola to it. And then also something that I didn't have last time was the pickled ginger, and I have it this time. So you know, we're trying it a little bit different, and I think the Coke, adding it, it definitely adds more of a sweetness to her sauce, which is definitely, you know, still amazing and delicious. But for my preference, you know, I really was excited to try her spicy sauce because I want to taste the spices that she actually put in her sauce. And I think adding the Coca-Cola might have diluted it a little bit, so we're gonna try it today. No Coca-Cola, and we got the pickled ginger, so I think that's gonna give a nice flavor to the sauce as well. Ooh, it smells amazing. And you know, we got all that garlic, yes, and onions. Y'all see that? Ooh, there's still a little smoke on this. All right, you guys, let's dig in. Bon appetit. Oh yeah, this tastes totally different than it did the first time around. Very, very, very different. Still so freaking amazing. I think I do prefer this version better, just because, I mean, this is just, you know, for me, this is just my preference. I don't like my sauces too sweet, so I think that Coca-Cola, if it's not for you, you know, if you don't like sweetness in your sauce. And again, on her direction, she says optional, so, you know, I wanted to try it out, see how it was. It's always good to try it out, and then, you know, after that, you can make the sauce however you want, add whatever you want to it. Yes, look at that, y'all. And we got some jumbo shrimp today. And I love the hint of the pickled ginger. That gives a really nice taste to the sauce. That gives it really good. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my gosh, super good. So, what we got here in the front, let's try one of these sweet bell peppers. Look at that. We got a little, ooh. Okay, see, definitely this time around I can taste a little bit more of that spiciness. And that's what I was really hoping for. So, I think we found the cure, y'all. We found what we need to do. And it's good. But again, I mean, if you don't like spicy, then, you know, adding the Coke would definitely help to kind of even that out. So it's not too spicy for y'all. Look at that. Mmm. 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 Oh, that's good, y'all. The sweetness from the bell pepper. Mmm. Mmm. That's really good. Mmm. That's a great combination. Wow. And then, oh my gosh, you guys, look at my sorry little eggs. Okay. I don't know what is going on today, if it just wasn't my day, but when I was trying to peel these dang eggs, it wasn't working out. So this is my egg, y'all. I'm so sad. I cannot get any of these 4 eggs to come out perfectly round. I don't know why. It was just sticking to the shell. Ugh. So annoying. But you know what? It's not what's on the outside, it's what's in the inside. And she gonna taste delicious. Here we go. Yes. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-hmm. Just as good as a nicely round egg. Look at that, you guys. So good. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. You know what? Let's try. Ooh, I got a jalapeno here. Ooh, wait. Now, I'm already tasting, you know, the spice from the sauce, but we're gonna kick her up a notch with some jalapeno. Ooh, wee. All right, let's get down and under. Here we go, y'all. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Oh, it's not bad. Oh, that's good. Mmm. 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 Let me get a napkin. Mmm. Mmm. Ooh, that's good, y'all. Ooh, you know what? What I want to get into is this. So this, my friend, is lumpia. So lumpia is a Filipino egg roll. It's the best egg rolls on the planet. If you've never tried it, go to your nearest Filipino restaurant. Ask your Filipino friend. Ask them to make you some. You're gonna love it and be addicted. Mmm. 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 Mm-hmm. This is vegetable lumpia. Mmm. Oh, look at that, you guys. Yes. Mmm. 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 So nice and crunchy. Mmm. Mmm. Oh wow, that is really good. Mmm. Mmm. All right, let's dig into another shrimp. All right, let's start with these up here. Ooh, that is good, you guys. I have a happy tummy right now, that's for sure. Ooh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Alright, you guys, here is another jumbo shrimp. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. The pickled ginger, it's really good. I don't even know where to wipe. Oh my god. This sweet bell pepper though, with this sauce, the sweetness of the bell pepper, complements the sauce really well. It's gonna be another 5 napkins mukbang. Oh my gosh. Oh, you know what? No, we're gonna work on these ones. Whew. So y'all, how long have you guys been in quarantine for? Oh my goodness. Honestly, I stopped keeping track. I don't even know how long it's been here for us in California. I'ma just guesstimate and say, if not 2 weeks, about darn close. Yeah. Cheers to that. Comment below and tell me how long your state has been on lockdown for. Get back into this jalapeno. So y'all, sorry for today's look, but this is gonna be our quarantine edition. I swear, this has been my wardrobe for the past, you know, however heck long days we've been in quarantine for. Messy bun, boyfriend shirt, and some sweats or some shorts, and that's about it. Yes, y'all, that has been the wardrobe. Let's get back into this lumpia. Oh my god, yeah, so my crappy eggs, I almost burnt the lumpia. Almost. But you know what? I like it crunchy anyways. I like it crunchy, and you make sure that it's cooked. Ooh-wee. Look at that. This was a last minute addition, because I knew that we had some lumpia, and we didn't have any of the sweet sauce to dip it in. And so me and my boyfriend made it for his first time. We just ate it by itself, and it needed something to it. You know what I'm saying? Like, if it had meat in it, I think it would have been fine. But since it's vegetable, you know, it needs a little something, and we didn't have any sauce, so I was like, oh my gosh, I should try it and Bloves sauce. And it's delicious. If you have some lumpia, you have Bloves sauce. There you go. Delicious. Alright. Grizzly's right beside me. Just letting you know. If you hear any whining or whimpering or crying, it's just him. Don't worry about it. Ooh-wee. But yes, y'all, so wardrobe. You know, I change it up. You know, put on different color sweats and different shirts, you know. But it's pretty much, it's the same thing, you know. Ooh-wee. And why not? You're at home. Be comfy. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Mmm. Well, no, another one of my messed up eggs. I can't believe it. Oh my god. Mmm. I need to get some water. Yes. Mmm. Oh, that was good. Alright, what was I working on? Egg. Here we go. Oh, but you know what? I did dress up. Hi, Grizzly. I can't pick you up. My hands are really dirty. I'm sorry, baby. He's just looking at me like, ah, with his claws sticking into my legs. I swear, sometimes he acts like a cat. He does. Sneezing. There, you heard it? Look at this, y'all. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Mmm. Excuse me. But yeah, so I did dress up a little bit today. So I did go out to the store today. Alright, before any of you come for me, I've been staying inside literally every single day. But I had to go to the store today. So I went to Target right down the road. Just to get some essentials, you know. For the house so we can stay in here even longer. But yeah, even my outfit going to the store, y'all, it's not impressing. It is not. What was I wearing? I wore one of these shirts, a cute jean jacket that I absolutely love, and then I don't know what you call these pants, but they're kind of like the MC Hammer pants. You know, they're just like, they're tight at the waist and then like going down. They're like, you know, really flowy and big, and then they cuff at the ankles. I love those pants. They're so comfortable. I could live in those every single day. And I have been. Yep. Other than these sweats, wear that if I go out to the store. That's the outfit. Comfortable 24/7. Yes. Look at that, y'all. Ooh wee. Another thing about this sauce too is that, since it's butter based, it definitely fills you up. It fills you up. Very delicious though. Very delicious. Gotta get that little bit piece of meat left. Can't waste it, y'all. Ooh, I want another. Do I got another pepper? Yes. I'm telling you, these little mini sweet peppers with this sauce, perfect, delicious combination. Delicious, you guys. Ooh, can you see? Yes. All of this deliciousness. I think this sweet pepper, if I had it on the last seafood boil where I did add the Coca-Cola, I don't think it would have mixed so well because the sauce was already so sweet, and then having this on top of it, I don't think it would have mixed. But without having it and having the pickled ginger, it's the bomb. All right, paper towel number 2. Here we go. Ooh wee. There we go. All right. Ooh, we're making a pile. Yes. All right. Last shrimp around the bowl. I love shrimp. I love shrimp. Anytime I will go to like any kind of seafood boil place, you know, like Hot and Juicy or the other ones, I always get shrimp. Shrimp is so delicious. Well, I need to try next though with some crab. Like some bomb king crab or Dungeness crab. Ooh wee, but I'm not balling right now. I can't afford it yet, y'all. When I get back to working after this whole stay-at-home thing is done, then I'll treat both of us to some king crab. But right now, on this budget, girl, nah. We gotta save. And we gotta work with what we got. And luckily I had these already. So I was so happy. Where? Oh, there you are. Still looking at me. He's gonna stay there until this whole video is over. Need some water. Whew. Oh, excuse me. Thank you. Oh my god, you guys. So today I was feeling, you know, I had some energy, and I decided to do a little exercise in my room, you know, since I haven't been able to go to the gym. I miss the gym so much. So I decided to do a little workout in my room. Sadly to say, it didn't last long. It did not, y'all. So I did like, how many? I think I did like 10 squats with nothing, just me. You know, I wasn't like holding on to anything for weights. No, I did 10 squats, and then I did like 5 on each butt cheek, you know, like just like lifting your leg up. I did 5 each, so I guess I did 10 of those. And then I did where you just put your leg to the side like that, you know, like your front, one of these legs is like straight like that, the other one is like that, like at a, what do you call that, like 90-degree angle, I guess. And ooh wee, your girl is sore. Oh my god. I'm so sore. I regretted it right away. But I just want to see, you know, where my body was at, and that's a sign of it's going downhill. I weighed myself actually the other day, and I actually like still weigh about the same, but I know all my like my little baby muscles that I had, they gone. They done up and left. Yeah, we don't got no more muscles at all. Oh my goodness. And I know I'm gonna feel it more tomorrow, the day after. Just after just that little workout. It was literally like a 5-minute, if anything less, workout. And I'm gonna feel it tomorrow. It's gonna feel like I worked out all day and I didn't. Ooh wait. But you know what? Little steps, little baby steps. So tomorrow I'm just gonna have to try to stretch it out and meditate. light a candle and hope that I'm not in too much pain. Ooh, wee. Ooh, excuse me. Look at that, you guys. Ooh. So delicious. I gotta like watch where I'm wiping my face. You know, I gotta finish this lumpia. I do. A little bit more water, y'all. Ooh. Ooh, wait. Alright. Last egg roll. It's not burnt, it's cooked. It's just cooked all the way. Okay? Anyone try to clown on your burnt food? It's just cooked. They just want to make sure they don't poison you. Here you go. All that delicious sauce. All up on there. I'm in love with these sweet bell peppers, y'all. It's so freaking good with this sauce, I can't even tell you. And you gotta get the sweet ones, not the regular ones. Sweet ones, these are delicious. So good. Do I want another egg? Oh, you know what? If anything, we'll eat this one. You guys, I wasn't even gonna put this one in the video. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, I'm telling you, I don't know what the heck happened when I was peeling these dang eggs. I don't know what the heck happened. Yeah, I was about to not even use the eggs because of how messed up they look like. I was so disappointed. I was so disappointed. Oh my god. Look at that. It's just no words. No words. But you know what? It all tastes the same. Pretty or not. Woo. Woo. Oh wait, I'm getting full, you guys. It just hit me. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. All the yolk, the dry yolk. I need to wash it down with some water. Ooh. Ooh, it's stuck to my teeth. Ooh. Excuse me. Whew. Ooh, you guys, I am so full and satisfied. Oh my gosh. Alright, y'all. I would definitely rate this meal yay! Yes, very, very, very delicious. I think one of my favorite combinations in this meal, ooh, excuse me, was definitely the sweet bell peppers. Ooh, excuse me, you guys. The sweet bell peppers with the sauce. I think the sweetness of the bell peppers just contrasted really, really nicely with the spiciness, like the vinegary and garlic and onion in the sauce. It blended really, really, really nicely. Of course, the shrimp as well, you know, with the sauce. Delicious! And again, Bloves sauce, absolutely amazing. I definitely like this version better, you know, just for my preference. Again, I don't like my sauces too sweet, and I think adding the ginger and taking out the Coca-Cola for me was a really, really, really great idea, and it's absolutely delicious. So if you guys haven't had it before, I definitely think you should give it a try. And you know, with these type of sauces, you can always mix and pick what you want to add to it or not add to it and take out, you know, it's totally up to you. But yes, overall everything was so delicious. I'm so full, and I wish you all out there are being safe, and God bless, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.